Good morning, guys. So we were called in to clean these tiles at the new International Motors car dealership. It's their sales center. So they have some porcelain tiles. There's some epoxy grout stuck on the tiles, so we're gonna clean them. And we have 2 days to do it. It's just over 11,000 square feet.
Waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me.
So you can see a lot of the epoxy grout is just smudged. That's what they want us to remove. So we're gonna clean all the inside and the outside as well. We found the best process that worked to remove the epoxy grout from these porcelain tiles was a 1-to-1 dilution of muriatic acid for the first pass. It broke down the epoxy really well, and it made it more visible to see on the tiles by turning it white. On the following day, we applied paint stripper with a paintbrush. We let it sit for a few minutes to activate and then removed it with soap water and the floor machinery. Okay, we just finished. All the epoxy grout is off, but there was some other materials on the floor as well, which we got off. So I'm pretty happy with it. We'll pressure wash out the front apron tomorrow.